This is part 2. Let's continue. Sorry, just a car. Let's continue with part 2 of Pan 1904 VHS. This is part 1. And last where I left off, well, the last part is I take the 2 wheels out. Yeah. All blood and guts to men and soldier. And as I mentioned in my last video, the tape is broken and I have to fix it. And now the tape shell is, look at that, coming apart. Wow, I didn't expect it till now. 28th freaking 1985, 21st freaking 1986. So a year apart, I did throw some in the trash. That's no longer. So I drew and it no longer is trash. So we want to mention the tape is broken and I took the wheels out and I put it in. So let's get started. This is part 2, by the way. I'm fixing my 1984 VHS pan part 1. Got the screw, that scissors, and the good tape scotch. We're gonna fix. I did mention. I did not. I already mentioned it. Look at that middle screw. Middle screw won't come out for no reason. All because of that middle screw. As I already mentioned in my last video, take a look at the middle screw. The middle screw won't come out. As usual, look at this. So you cannot screw the middle screw. And one problem, look at that. 3 screws only. One I threw in the trash. So this is where I'm going to replace a new tape shell. We're no longer keeping it. It came in this record labels. This is why I'm going to replace record tab. No, we can go print date. This is why I'm going to replace an old tape shell into a new tape shell. So let's do it right now. And by the way, this is part 2. Not to mention, folks, not to get on topic. I actually. So let's do it right now. I don't have a tripod. So the way I'm gonna do it is. Show up. Well, man. Stack them up nice and clear. So I have a tripod like that. I don't have a tripod. So no, sorry about that. Here we go. So we're gonna first get this scissors out. It's actually quick. Yeah, this is scissors, scissors, crabs, sweet, school, home, office, jot scissors. You can get at Walmart. Stainless steel blades. Yeah, it's just trash. Now we're gonna get this tape fixed. Mentioned before. So yeah, let's fix it for now. And I'm also gonna be using that, get rid of it, and do that. So I'm getting rid of this for now. So this is not an easy fix. Let's do this. Alright, this is part 2. Enjoy. Part 2, I'm gonna put in a new tape shell. All the shell into a new tape shell like this. Hold on. Oh, metal screw. There we go. It's painful to get in a metal screw. Move it into like there. God. There we go. We got it. We got it. So now we're gonna get the tape out of here. Get the tape shot out of here. Watch this. Wow. Look at that. Court ordered. I hate to say, but we're gonna take this apart. Let's take it apart. We're gonna have to get it placed. Look at that. Wait, this is not. Hold on. Let's make sure that we're in a. Now, I got this cut. We're gonna splice into that and that. Here we go. That's no longer gone. Here we go. Wow. Can't you believe it? This is part 2. Now, we're getting it carefully like this. I'm gonna carefully splice. Hold on. I gotta do it carefully. I don't want it to ruin. One. Actually, let's do that again. Hold on. Make sure it's not careful. on. Just put it in the ground. Look. Hold on. Second. Oh. What the heck? Get this piece of Is it right? I think it's right. I don't think so. Hold on. Make sure it okay, got it. Carefully cut. Oh. Okay, we got it. Alright. God. That get peeled off. Oh my god. Stupid piece peeling off. Ah. We are. Stop. That. The piece on there. Arr. There we go. We did it perfectly. Wow. We did it perfectly. Anyway, I don't like this ride, so hopefully I don't like this ride. Hopefully it will ride. Hold on. Is it right or what? Is it right or what? Nope. Not right. Not right. Try again. Hold on. Alright. Does it work? Yep. We got it. Oh, wow. That's the splice I have ever seen. That's the weirdest thing I ever put. Now, sorry. I had to put a splice on that. Yeah, that record tape is no longer in use. Hold on. Carefully. Oh my. A second. Like that. Like, hold on. And one. Oh, had problems. Gotta have problems. Had that one problems. Got it. Oh. Go on. Oh God. And it ain't right. Oh. Put it in. Oh God, this ain't right. Oh wow, there we go. That was the longest way I had to do. Sorry, this was a long one, so just bear with me. Now we're gonna... I think I don't know. I did a splice. I did put this in a 1984 reel. I don't know if there'll be another part or not, because I think there's one battery left. So let me get this. Let me get this record reel to the recycle bin. So yeah, this one's gonna get ruined for good. And I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this because this one's gonna be trash and it's no longer gonna be good. This one's gonna be trash and is no longer, and this video is gonna be no longer. This video is gonna be no longer in here, and this video is gonna be one by one video. And this video is gonna be trash for good. Well, not trash. This one's gonna be trash, but I'm gonna replace this since the passport's broke. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna fast forward one by one since I'm doing like this. This foam strip has to go. I can't stand it no more. Wow, foam strip smells brand new when it is factory sealed. So yeah, the foam strip is gonna be good. Gone. So yeah, now I don't know, be another video, cause I don't know if there'll be another video or not, cause I don't know if there'll be another video, if I have time for another video, cause there's one minute left. I don't know there'll be another part, I think there'll be another part, if I know it. I'm gonna do it, and it's like I don't like the good guys, the great locomotive Chase 1982 VHS got broken, as he did fix it. So yeah. Actually, no, the foam strip's gonna be gone for good. Yeah, that foam strip has to be gone for now. Yeah, after all these years, this foam strip has to go. Hold on. This foam strip has to be gone for good. It's like a fan. Who knows? I'm gonna get rid of that foam strip. That foam strip is gone for good. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, that foam strip has to be gone. Has to go for now. I don't know if there'll be another part or not. That's good. And that film strip, like I said, is no longer gonna be gone. Ooh. Oh. Film strips has to get gone. Trash. I know I haven't uploaded for years. I haven't uploaded the fixing an old tape. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about that. This is kind of like the Home of the Good Guys, the Great Locomotive Chase on YouTube VHS. Even though it's a 1985 reprint that he owns in my collection. Now, that I'm gonna keep. The bit film is not gonna be good. It's gone good. So at 2900, it will stop. Oh, wow. And I know, yeah, I'm doing it like this. That twirl thing, you get the idea. Wow, that's crazy. Oh. And like I said, the film set's no longer going to be gone. At 290, I will cut it with scissors. And this is a new scissors that I got. No, this is new scissors. This is a new scissors that was factually sealed, I think. Yeah, I think it is. I'm going to draw film strips in the goat roll bag. One more time. Ready? Oh. One more time. Okay? Ready? Set. Yeah, that's it. That's it for part 2. So stick around for part 3, which will be next. Pops up, you're going to jail. No, you don't. Keep looking in my next video. That cut thing. Look at that cut. So stick around for part 3, which I'm going to show. I'm going to pull out the rest of the film strips. Stay with us in part 3 while I pull out the film strips. So I'm going to take the film strips and the trash.